VLOOKUP is one of the most powerful function that you could use in Microsoft Excel. Let me show you how you could quickly use that. It's very easy to use. So this is the format that it needs to be in order for you to use it. So what do? Put in the equal sign, and then you start typing in the V lookup, and it takes a few parameters. First parameter is the thing that you want to look up. So I'm just gonna put it over here. So it's gonna say whatever's in this particular H3 cell, that's what I wanted to look up. And then I want to say which range do I want to look up from. So that basically means is from column A to F. Or yours, it could be whatever range that you want to pick. So you select that. And then it will be the next parameter that it needs to have, which will be the which column do you want the value to be returned. So in this case, this is column 1, A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. So I'll just say I want to return the value for column 2. In this case, it will be column B. And next, but not least, the last parameter is looking for, do you want it to have approximate match or you want to have the exact match? So what I want to do is I want to know the exact match. So I'm going to click over here and close parenthesis, and that will be it. And right now it gave me an A, which means it's an error message because in this H3 there's nothing here. So I'll just say I'm going to put in the number 1, and then it's going to go ahead and return the value from column B that it matched in here. So let me just put in here another number. Let's just say 22. And if I go to row 22 over here, which will be this, and that's how it is. And that's how you use the lookup. Very easy to use and most powerful function within Microsoft Excel.